Good morning, guys. Really early in the morning here, and I have a question to everybody who gets up at like 4 a.m. Like, how do you do that? It's 4:50 right now. I'm getting picked up at 5 in the morning, and it's very early. Like, I got a few hours of sleep, and surprisingly, I actually get up before my 4:30 alarm. But I'm getting picked up. Grab some water here for a day, and we'll be on the road. Let's get to it. So we just got here, guys, to the company, to the big warehouse. So there we go. Our job is right now to unload the truck with a bunch of like computers and monitors. Yesterday I'm gonna show a couple clips of what we did. But it's like 5 a.m. right now. Look at this one too. Can get some exercise. Cecil Jones, please do not touch. But it's basically like a lot of stuff here. How's it going? Could I do your all-American grilled? Yep. Thank you. Right now it's 6:30 in the morning, and New York City is just waking up. We're in New York, so there was a bunch of traffic yesterday. Today there's much less, no traffic right now, but it's just people I can see waking up. And grab some tea and a sandwich, some breakfast here.
One small question there, but
What we were doing with all this, the day before we were kind of helping moving the people office. We were helping going from a smaller office in New York City, and this is the bigger office. It's nicer, got a lot more space, a lot more desks. Yesterday we were just packing up like kind of equipment, computers and keyboards, mices, like computer mices, whatever you want to call it. And then just this day we were bringing everything to the new place. Are you taking your backpack?
Sorry?
Are you taking your backpack?
No, that's good.
You're just gonna leave it here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Probably gonna just
Do you know if he's closing it or no? Perfect, yeah. Thank you. So we just started unloading the truck. You can see how much stuff is in there. So there was a lot of this nice computers. Those were like screen monitors, like monitors basically. They were like curved. Some of them were 40 inches, 36 inches, depending on where they were going. And they were brand new. I had to like unwrap it. Each table had 4 of those screens. It was a nice setup. The last half an hour was very chaotic because we had to take out all these boxes, empty boxes from monitors. And like a lot of people come in, a lot of people leave. UPS come in, people who clean come in, like they leave. A lot of people bring stuff, so it's like a lot of chaotic. But it's almost 12, almost lunchtime maybe. All right, so it looks like everything is done. Pretty much the work is done till what, noon. The truck is all loaded up. And I don't know, I'm pretty hungry. So I don't know if we're having lunch or we're just driving back. But truck is all packed pretty much here. Can't even see inside. Alright, so we had some Chipotle. Some cheaper for lunch. It was actually pretty good, though it's spicy. Very spicy. I got steak. But New York is such a crazy. Everybody's going somewhere.
That's so scary. I know. Could be.
It is a huge office here, but all of this pretty much we installed. All of these monitors. There was no monitors, and then we have to take all these boxes down to the truck. There we go. So these ones are like leaning. There's the only last one more. So this one and one more.
Okay,
downstairs.
I asking them to bring a commercial bin full with dali because we have some stuff on the
Full of dalis?
Full with dalis. Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. So then basically you can run this in here. Obviously when it's flipped up. Yeah. So we'll just do it like that. So that will go. So basically you can plug that into.
Brand new keyboard over here for MacBook. What goes in here? I don't think it's Apple. Wait, do you have your knife?
You have my knife, right?
You have your knife.
No,
Where was it? It was just here.
You have my knife.
Yeah. Brand new. Unbelievable.
Each one has one? Yeah, it should have one of one. I'll show you to the, in the boxes. You can take the power cable out and put it on the desk.
So each have to have 4, right? 4 monitors on each table, basically. This section is good. 1, 2, 3, 6.
Would you want to take a look into it?
Yeah, because then that gives this door, we can put that.
Those are 34-inch. Вот это some Russian производительность большой, широкого экрана, яркие цвета, быстрое включение. This is 34-inch curved displays going over here.
Maybe those were just normal. I have 6 feet. Yeah, if you have them, I'll plug one in and we'll see how it works.
Give us a cord.
We got some authentic pizza place here. Best pizza. The best pizza in New York. Some ginger ale.
A few moments later.
Alright, so I'm back here. Super tired. Long day, it was a very long day. I probably napped twice on the way back in the car. So much traffic as well way back from New York City. It was a good day, long day. Super tired, got a shower. And I have about a couple hours before I go to the rink. I have a beer league game. So I'll be posting that as well. But for now, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for listening, and I'll see you in the next video. Done.